Today, you will learn how to use match formula in Excel in less than 3 minutes. Let's begin. So in this example, we are looking up for this value, which is located in D10 cell, which is in this case Sarah Adel, in this array, and we're looking for exact match. So the return here is 2. This is the array, and this is the reference or the lookup value, and it's returning 2, meaning that this is in the second row of this array. In this case, we are looking for the email, which is the value in cell D11 in this array from A2 to H2. And of course, we're looking for exact match. If you don't write an exact match, by default, it will be exact match. So in this case, it's returning back 4 because this value is located in the 4th position of this array. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we change this to email provider, this will change to 5. If we change this to Muhammad Barghouti, it will change to 1 because this is there. However, there is one limitation here in the match formulas, that you have to specify either a row or a column. You don't highlight a range of data that includes more than one column and more than one row. So in this case, if we're looking for a row position, you have to select a column. And if you're looking for a column position, you'll have to highlight the row. Let's just type it together quickly to make sure that we understand it. So equals match. What I want to match is this value in this lookup array. Will that work? Well, let's see. It will give me not applicable because the selected range consists of more than one column and more than one row. We have to choose either more than one column or more than one row. Let's keep it this way. Click enter. The value here is 3 because this name is located in the 3rd column of the selected row. 1, 2, 3. Let's change the selection to that. Enter. It will give you 1 because it's located in the 1st position or 1st row of this selected column. Okay, so this is match formula. Now index and match formula usually are not used separately. They are used together to overcome the problem or the limitations and restrictions we have in Vlookup and Hlookup functions. If you are interested in knowing more about index and match formula, definitely go and check out my previous video. The link should be shown on the screen by now. And definitely consider subscribing to my channel to know more and learn more about Excel, its functions, formulas, features, graphs, charts, and much more. Stay productive and happy learning.